Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. We're just going to get a little update on how the spring garden is going on. We've got lots of tomatoes growing in the hydroponic. We've got a big variety of tomatoes. Everything has sprouted except for one. Well, actually, these were some Super Sioux tomatoes that never sprouted. I guess it was just a bad batch of seeds, so I have replanted some San Marzano tomatoes there. But anyway, we've got a pretty good germination rate there. Up here, we've got our bell peppers and our hot peppers. The cayennes have not come up. All of our jalapenos have come up. All of our bell peppers have come up except for the golden cow wonder bell peppers. Neither one of those. Well, I've got one that came up. The other three have not. Well, that one is trying to. Anyway, got a pretty good germination rate on our tomatoes and our bell peppers and our hot peppers. We've got some random things up here that are coming on. We've still got our hot peppers and our bell peppers for survival seeds. And I planted basil today. So some of this other stuff in the back, I just planted those today in the hydroponic. So let's take a look over here in the grow tent at the things that we have already uppotted. We finished uppotting all the cabbage that we had. This one was the last one. We got it uppotted today. Maverick, the grandson, helped me with that. We got the last artichoke. These are the other artichokes. They're like 12 inches tall, 13 inches tall. This was the last one that was in the hydroponic. We got that uppotted today. We got the last beets. So we've got cabbage, Ruby Queen beets, artichokes, cilantro is doing fabulous back there. We've got our tomatoes and our Romas that we did the germination test on for the survival seeds. Got those uppotted today. And then we've got some other tomato plants back here that were for a different collaboration that are doing pretty good. Just no tomatoes yet. But anyway, so everything that's growing in the hydroponic, and as they get a certain size, we are uppotting those into the grow tent. Now this is for, some of this stuff is for Grow What You Eat 26 collaboration and Survival Seeds 2026 collaboration. So all of it is for Kathy's spring garden. All of it is for what we're growing because it's what we're eating. So Survival Seeds, Grow What You Eat, all of it is things that we eat and things that we are growing on our homestead. Up here, we also are growing red acre cabbage and lettuce in as microgreens. These over here, these back here, and all these up here we're growing as microgreens. And those will all be, all the microgreens we are growing to feed the rabbits. So we will grow food for the rabbits, and they will in turn give us compost that we will put back into the garden to continue growing. And then here we've got celery that's doing really good. Now celery, guys, it takes a little longer to germinate, but it will eventually germinate. So keep that in mind when you're doing your planting, that celery is going to take a little longer. So just be patient with it. You might even jump on that a little bit earlier. I'll tell you, your tomatoes, it's what's going to germinate the fastest. Your bell pepper are going to take longer to germinate. So let's go back. Tomatoes are going to germinate the fastest. Then I'm going to say your hot peppers. Then probably your celery. Then your bell peppers. I'm not sure why it's like that, but that is my experience here in the southern region. So keep that in mind when you are planting at what you want to plant first. I did the tomatoes because we are going to be growing a lot of tomatoes. We'll probably have about 50 to 60 tomato plants. So we got to get a head start on those. So we'll just continue to keep potting the tomatoes into the grow tent until all this is full. I think I'm getting ready to set up another shelving unit with grow lights so I can move all the microgreens over to that shelving unit for the rabbits so I can keep potting all of this space. So let's see how it looks next week. See how much more potting we're doing. I'm hoping to have this whole shelf full of potting because I have a lot more stuff to grow. I've got 3 kids that have put in some requests. I'll be starting their stuff in hydroponic probably once all this and this are potted, and this stuff up here too, because this is all for my garden. Once I get all this potted, I will start on my kids' stuff. And I will keep growing for the rabbits. They deserve it. Give to them, they give back to us, and in turn give us food. So that's going to be the update. We'll call this update number 1 for Survival Seeds 2026 collaboration with BC Family Homestead, and week number 1 update for Grow What You Eat 26 collaboration with Jan, Simply Jan Homestead, and Susan, Butler Family Farms, and myself, Kathy, Resourceful Living Homestead. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on week 2.